Hi, this is Dr. Elizabeth Rostan, and today we're talking about the profound microneedling radiofrequency treatment and what it's like to have a treatment. So the profound is radiofrequency energy delivered to the skin via microneedles. The energy delivered is a long pulse duration, so 3 full seconds of heat. For that reason, we have to numb the area so you can tolerate the treatment. This is done by first removing all your makeup, and topical numbing cream is applied to the area to be treated. We leave it there about 45 minutes, then we clean it off, and numbing is done via little tiny micro needles that just get the surface of the skin, so that the entire treatment surface will be very numb, first from the topical numbing and then from the injection numbing. Once we get most of the areas numb, the nurses will start on one area. There's a clicking sound because that's the needles going into the skin. And then a timer, beep, that's the energy delivery for the 3 seconds. You will not feel any of this in areas that are completely numb. Around the edges, you might not be completely numb. You may feel a little tingling. That's the energy. It is not bad. And it's not persistent. It may just be in a few areas. If there's an area where it's really painful, the nurses will stop and re-inject some numbing. And this goes on across your entire cheek because this is used to tighten the lower face, the jowl, and the neck. So we typically will treat here and here. After they've done about 3 areas, they'll stop and numb the last area the same way they did the first area so that that area is freshly numb. And then they start on that treatment. The results will be enhanced by using creams specifically designed to help your skin respond to this RF microneedling treatment. Ideally starting 2 weeks before and then continuing for weeks after. This helps prep your skin for the treatment and helps your skin respond to the renewal process. The whole thing we're trying to achieve is skin renewal and tightening. Collagen, hyaluronic acid matrix, and elastin renewal that is stimulated via the energy delivered through these microneedles. Additionally, the microneedling treatment itself can renew the skin surface, and these products help your skin respond. So important to get on these products and stay on them so we get the best result. Speaking of results, the results will not show up for 3 to 6 months because this is a long-term process. We are stimulating your skin cells to make new collagen and new elastin and new matrix that holds those products together. Immediately after your treatment, you'll be swollen and probably some little bruises. We want you to be prepared for that. Everyone's been real excited about this treatment lately because everyone's wearing masks. But it is considered a little bit of a downtime treatment because of the swelling and a little bit of bruising. But that goes away fairly quickly, but you can have some tingling, some numbness, some tiny little bumps. Those are reaction to the energy and the microneedling, and sometimes some itching. Most of this doesn't need any treatment at all, and it's usually just the kind of thing when you're washing your face you can feel a little numb or tingling. It does not mean anything's wrong or anything dangerous, and as time goes on this just disappears. You don't even think about it. So before you know it, you're bruise free, not swollen, and not having any tingling. You just go about your regular business, continuing to use your skincare products while we wait for the collagen renewal and the elastin renewal to happen. This is an exciting time in terms of all the energy and laser devices that we have to renew the skin. This renewal process helps your skin look more smooth, less wrinkly, tighter, but in addition to that, it makes it healthier, more robust, more resistant to changes of aging and resistant to changes of sun damage, including some of the precancers. One of the treatments that we often pair with the profound microneedling radiofrequency treatment is a laser treatment. And this laser treatment on the surface removes the surface sun damage and the crinkles, particularly the crepey here. And we can also take it in here for those pesky lip lines and the sun damage that shows up here. The best treatment for this is the fractional ablative CO2. This is a procedure that does add some downtime. You will have a little bit of oozy red skin for a good 2 to 3 days, really about 4 to 5 days total of some weird downtime. Lots of redness and crusting. Typically by day 5 you can put on some makeup and venture out without any trouble. Again, it's mask wearing time, so it's ideal to take this time to renew these trouble areas that women come to me all the time asking what they can do about the crepey through here and the wrinkles. So I urge you to explore the combination of both the profound radiofrequency microneedling as well as our laser skin rejuvenation options, which can be done in concert to give you the best skin that you can possibly have.